Standard 7 Subject History Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj Part 3 Sant Jnaneshwar. He was a great sant in the Warkari movement. He wrote Bhavartha Dipika or Jnaneshwari, which illustrate the meaning of the Sanskrit Bhagavad Gita. He also composed the Amrutanubhav. He preached the path of devotion through his works and compositions. He showed us the simple way of worship and conduct which the common people could follow easily. He gave a prestige of a religion to a Warkari movement. Though his life was spent in extremely adverse circumstances, he never lost the calm of his mind and never harbored bitterness. His Pasayadan in Jnaneshwari uplifts the mind. The poetic competitions of his brothers Sant Nivruttinath and Sant Sopandev and sister Muktabai are very well known. Sant Eknath, he was the great saint of Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. His compositions are many and diverse. They include Abhanga, Gaulan, Bharuda, etc. He has stated Bhagavad Dharma in a detailed and a simple manner. He has portrayed people's life in Bhavartha Ramayana through the story of Ram. He explained in Marathi the Bhakti Marg of the Sanskrit work Bhagavad. His Abhangs shows the warmth of devotion. He demonstrated from his own conduct that there is no need to renounce the worldly matters. He was the teacher of the people in true sense of the terms. He believed that the Marathi language was inferior to no other language. He asked the Sanskrit scholars forcefully, संस्कृत वाणी देवे केली तरी प्राकृत काय चोरापासून झाली? Sant Tukaram, he belonged to Dehu near Pune. His abhangs and compositions are very pleasing and lucid, reaching the poetic height. His Gatha is a precious treasure of the Marathi language. He asks us to find God, to show the love for the tormented. In the following lines, जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले तोची संत ओळखावा देव तेथेची जाना. With this viewpoint, he threw in the river Indrayani the documents of the loans that people borrowed from him and freed many poor families from the bond of loan. He criticized the hypocrisy and superstition in the society in very strong terms. He stressed that the devotion, that is bhakti, should be coupled with the morality. His teachings can be summed up as जोडोनिया धन व्यवहारे उदास विचारे फेचकरी. Some people oppose the social awakening that he has undertaken and threw his abhangs in the river Indrayani. Sant Tukaram faced the opposition with noble courage. His disciples and associates were of different caste and creed. They did the important work of writing down the abhangs of Sant Tukaram. Ramdas Swami, he was from Jamb of Maharashtra. He explained the importance of physical fitness to the people. मराठा तेतुका मिळवावा, महाराष्ट्र धर्म वाढवावा. This message of Ramdas Swami is famous. He gave practical education and lessons in good conduct through his works like Dasbodh, Karunashtaka and Manache Shlok. He stated the importance of people's movement and organization and founded the Samartha Sampradaya. Chafal was the center of Sampradaya. He propagated the worship of Ram and Hanuman. Thank you.